5 important techniques to speed up muscle growth. Building your dream body will take weeks and months of dedicated workout sessions and sticking to a clean, balanced diet. With muscle building, it's a slow and sometimes frustrating process even for the most committed lifters. If you've been hitting the weights with little success, then we can help you with that. Today, we will take a look at 5 important tricks to accelerate your muscle growth. Some of these have something to do with eating, which we will be delving more in a while, so don't go just yet. Number 1. Drink a protein shake pre-workout. Usually, a post-workout protein shake gets the spotlight with numerous studies showing that it helps restore the body's glycogen stores. At the same time, it promotes recovery thanks to the protein system. But what many don't know is that having a protein before exercising is also just as beneficial. Aside from being a source of energy, it helps prevent the breakdown of muscle tissue. Number 2. Load up on protein. Calories are important for muscle growth, but it's actually protein that's arguably the most important macronutrient. Proteins also contain amino acids, which are utilized as the backbone for muscle growth. Thus, it's crucial to get enough amounts of protein to speed up muscle growth. Studies suggest eating 0.7 grams of protein per pound of body weight. This can be in the form of whole foods or supplements. Number 3. Increase your training volume. Training volume is defined as your workload. In other words, it's the number of sets and repetitions you perform over the course of your workout. That said, it's important to note that more training volume doesn't necessarily mean spending 3 more hours in the gym. Rather, you can boost your training volume by tweaking your sets, reps, and weight. As per experts' recommendation, you should focus on 2 to 3 exercises for a major muscle group and 1 to 2 exercises for smaller muscles. Number 4. Rest every other day. The word rest may seem counterintuitive, but mind you, it isn't. Your body needs time to recover and repair, so it can build new muscles. While resting isn't as glamorous as training, it's still crucial to muscle growth. Microscopic tears are common when you exercise. These tears are actually a normal part of the muscle building process. And when you're resting, these tears are repaired, which in turn leads to muscle growth. Number 5. Limit your cardio. Cardio exercise is widely applauded for its metabolic and cardiovascular benefits. That said, when done excessively, you'd end up burning more calories than weight training. Put simply, too much cardio can result in a caloric deficit. You can do cardio in a short duration instead. When building muscles, your focus should be weightlifting. Imagine spending hours at the gym trying to gain muscle, but you get no results from all your hard work. And even if you do have results, it can be so annoying to see them progress at a turtle's pace. If you want to succeed, then consistency is the number 1 requirement. Do you have any other fitness topics you want us to cover? Tell us about it in the comments section below.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel.